What's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to replace your air filter on your 5VZ-FE engine. So that of course is the Toyota 3.4 liter V6. I will leave a list of all the vehicles that this will work with down in the descriptions below. So let's go ahead and get started. This is literally the easiest thing you could do on this engine. It takes literally 10 seconds. So here's the air filter that I'm going to be using. I'll leave a link to this in the description. It's a Denso. So what you're going to do is pop these two clips back and push this cover up, and then you literally just pull your air filter right out. You can see mine's pretty old, needs to be replaced. Just make sure, you know, look down in there, make sure it's not all dirty way up in here and stuff, and then all you have to do is take your new one, slide it right back down in there. Make sure it seals over all this and fits. There's a little metal tab in the bottom down there. Just make sure it slides inside of that, and you're good to go. Close your covers back off and you're done. So, you know, like I said, very simple process, but it will help prolong the life of your engine. So thanks for watching, hope it helped, and I will see you next time.